Ang ganda talaga, guys. So ang ganda dito. Anong flower to, guys?
Lettuce farm.
We had a stop over here at Banangan.
Rapid na rin.
Now, the first stop we go at Stone Kingdom. Pero mag-lunch muna kami. A cafe restaurant.
Silhouette, champagne, cigarettes. I try so hard to be something I'm not. So sure I'm distressed. Blame it on the internet. I try so hard to be something I'm not. I just hope that someone.
Anyways, it's raining. I'm filming in my phone kasi baka mabasa yung camera ko and I wouldn't risk it. Anyways, me and mom will check out Egorot Stone Kingdom. Merong entrance fee. Adults for 130. 100 la papa. 130 ta.
Some people have to say how they want you to take the next 10 steps of your day. Yeah. Some people wanna take.
Garot Gold Mine daw. Serious, pero maliit lang siya. Dito yung entrance, dead end, and exit dito. Ang ganda talaga, guys. So yun, bumalik kami dito para kunin sila ate. And Papa says no. But I was like, no, you should go. Kahit kapoy kasi ang ganda talaga. It's worth it. Ang entrance fee is only 130 and 100 pesos for seniors and PWDs. For need ng ID. Yeah. Tapos na kami dito. We'll go to the next stop, which is the Diplomat Hotel. It's so foggy and cold. Ito ang lugar pa na ako. Break. Balik. Or, ayaw, break. Kidding siguro.
But I'ma live my life. Why don't you just live yours?
We're now here at Mirador. So Mirador is like a convent, Mirador Heritage and Spirituality Park. So ito, convento siya. And dito, may eco park. So like photo op lang. And dito din located yung Lourdes Grotto. So, yeah.
Push through, push through. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you, push through you. I'ma tell you, push through you.
Some people will never see everything that you are, building yourself up to be, from the earth to the stars. And if you stand in my way, your words will mean nothing, no. You cannot hold up my rocket from going.
It's so foggy and it's starting to rain again. And the scene. Naragdaw. Okay naman? We are in the Mirador Park. Eco-friendly park. Eco-friendly. Eco-park. Eco-park. We're here at the cafe. Cafe dito. Coffee si Papa. It's raining again and I have a pimple. We're here at Diplomat. isa talaga ito sa must have, must visit spots ko. So, kaya tumulan. Tumulit ko talaga na pumunta dito. I'll take a picture muna. Kasi so, I know it's haunted, but it's okay. Bawal na din daw pumasok sa loob. Kasi, yeah, delikado. It's later, and now we're going to San Baguio. Change outfit, pero sa mga balik ready suit. Tugnaw ko ayo. Yung jacket day ko. Maulan? Hard to tell. Laman? Anyways, SM Baguio is 500 meters away from us. Like 10 to 15 minutes walk. So, ilalakad lang namin. Dar naman dere, napagdara. Ha? Pwede dere, pwede mo dere. Pero ambot lang unsang dalan na chad na mas okay i-backlight. Kaya wako ko kabalo. Ang lamig. Ilang hot shower kay dili hot. Tugnaw gyapon ko. Kanina naligo ako. May sa hot shower. Pero hindi po siya mainit. I mean, it's not as cold as their normal na tubig. But still, ang lamig pa din. Patungas. Paklay pa more. Dito sa Baguio, pero pinapawisan ako. Pinapawisan. Grabe yung daan dito. The next day, we're going to Northern Blossom. First stop is the Valley of Colors. Akala ko ano, pero squatter house lang pala na pininturahan ng kulay-kulay. It's a bridge pero more hadlock man. We're now here at Northern Blossom. Finally, after 2 hours ng biyahe. And registration fee is 50 pesos. Ang lamig! Ang lamig! It's so cold! Bagyong Baguio. So as soon as we arrive here at Baguio, matakit na talaga yung allergic rhinitis ko. Kaya, dito lang ako na sa malamig. Bani ko, ma'am! Nice ganyo! Nice ganyo! Guys, look, it's so pretty. They're so pretty, guys. I don't know what flowers are these. I mean, kani, chrysanthemum or mumps. Kani? Lagi nila type of flower.
Variegated. Kana single, kani dopo.
So pretty, eh. Wala inani sa CDO.
Naang sa Talakan.
Look!
Plantation yang pun nasa impasugong. Nani daghan kayo.
Wrong grammar.
Also known. Also known as.
Should be known, not know. Hey! Gusto siya rice flour. Ah! Kay mura dahil gid siya kanon. Tapos po siya sila papa guys. Nakamedere sa 4th level. 4th level. Walang kada. Level picture. Saan eh? Statis, limonium, paper flowers uses dried flowers. Ah, mo ni siya nasa dried flowers. Tapos ang mga bouquet. Here guys. So cute. Di lang siya klaro sa picture. Carnations. And this one. Saan siya? We're not properly educated sa mga flowers. So pretty. It's so ganda. So far, worth it. For pictures. Pero pa ko nag-count. Pero awan sa gugigotong.
Nabusog ka sa bulak.
Papa being friendly to all. Ang ganda dito. Anong flower to guys? Oh, many bees. So ayun guys. We still have more flowers but malapit na kasi yung exit and Papa is tired carrying ate. So, we'll go and eat some bread and drink some coffee kasi unlimited yung coffee and bread nila dito from the 250 na registration. So, I really do think it's worth it. Buti na lang inad ko ito sa itinerary kasi originally wala ito additional 2,000 sa agency. So, kasi okay na lang kasi ganda naman talaga. So, must visit if you come here in Baguio. Joke lang guys. Hindi pala dun ang free coffee. Sa another station. Picture muna kami. Walang katapusang picture. Meron silang sunflower dito pero walang flower. Ooh! Fogs. Final na ni. Mag-eat na mi. Logi felt the gutom already. Anyways, I think we're done. Bot lang kung mapabay hapitan. After this, we're going back to the main city area of Baguio sa La Trinidad Strawberry Farm. At yan, dami ka na picture dito. Ang ganda. I swear. So, must visit talaga. Even though, medyo nakakatakot yung biyahe kasi foggy. And yung daan is like Mangema Road to Malay-Malay. Ganun. Also, it's not wheelchair accessible. You need to walk talaga.
Dito lang ako.
Mount Bernard. Saan na? St. Bernard. Ang laki. Paano na kung gusto. Cute guys. Ang cute ng dog. Name niya is Jollibee. Ano po to? Ito yung free bread?
Yes, ma'am.
Ano pong bread?
Mamuni po. After po mag-coffee, ma'am, may basurahan po tayo sa labas. Din yung tray, pakibalik na lang po. Thank you po.
Okay po. Finally, naka-rest din ang senior gigapoy. They have free unlimited coffee. Cactus. Ma, unsa may plural sa cactus?
Flora sa cactus.
Exit.
Ito. Pa, unsay plural sa cactus? Cacti.
Strawberry farm. Kaya mag-lunch mo na kami.
Strawberries. Bagnet sa strawberry.
Sinigang na strawberry, guys.
It's pink. And then nagdakan. Strawberry good siya. Ay pag-asa. Strawberry sinigang. Unique with this. Pero sinigang siya. siligang aslong na naik pagkatamis gamay. Kami na lang na mama mag-ikot. Kasi wala na pang strawberry. Lettuce lo. Strawberry farm pa mo lettuce naman de. Lettuce farm man ta. Ano strawberry gamay ka niya. Turaw. Turaw. Oh. Dito kasulod. Dito kasulod. Meron lang kami. Walang ganito na dress pang baby. Strawberry. Alice, tanamiki. Bigger nito. Maliit ito. Meron na kaming pasalubong kang Elise. Cute kayo, cute ta. 150. Kung mas gamay ba? Wala mas maliit na to. Pero
Ano yan na? Ito na yung pinakamaliit sa YouTube.
meron pa po kayong malalaki.
Nag-iisa na lang yan. Konti kasi ang harvest ngayon.
Ilang days ba yan?
3 to 4 days.
Well, magna. Karang latrinitad na jeep. Pero,
Ayun, pambata.
cute. Nailis, may tanan na itong yung pamalit. Kira saan? Ay.
Ito ha?
Oh, ito din maliit.